bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time.
Hi everyone, welcome. My name's Colette Matriga and I would love to welcome you to Colette's Thermi Kitchen on YouTube. So let's talk about peanut butter cookies. Yum, that's all I have to say about them. Let's get started. So first up, the recipe will be posted in the description below, and I am just going to pop into the Thermomix some butter, which is softened and cubed, some white sugar, some brown soft sugar. You can use dark if you prefer, it'll give it a bit more of a caramelized flavor. Today I'm using the light one. And we're going to pop into there 1 egg.
Was that salted or unsalted butter?
Thank you, Andrew. That one was actually salted. Now, of course you can use unsalted, but I do love that extra hit of saltiness in with the richness of the peanut butter, and I think you'll like that too.
You devil.
And in here I have got a teaspoon of vanilla extract. That's going in. And then our key ingredient is our peanut butter. So that now is going to go in with a little bit of a help.
So I've seen that smooth, not crunchy?
Yes, that's smooth, not crunchy, and it is actually a store-bought one, but of course you can make your own peanut butter in the Thermomix, which is amazing. It takes about 5 minutes. Now, if you have made your own, what you want to make sure is that you've stirred it well, because we don't want the oily component, which sometimes rises to the top. We want to make sure we're getting all of that peanut, otherwise you're going to have runny cookies.
Could you use crunchy peanut butter?
Yeah, you can use crunchy peanut butter and it'll give that little bit of an extra crunch. So today, Andrew, you're going to have smooth. I hope that's okay. All right, so all of that's been added in. So I'm going to cream those together for 1 minute at speed 3. Okay, so that has now mixed together, creamed together absolutely beautifully, so you can actually have a little look in there. Now all I want to do is to scrape down the sides and to give that 30 seconds more to really make sure it is beautifully creamy. Okay, just scraping down the sides with my beautiful spatula. Can you smell how peanutty that is already, Andrew?
It is beautiful, the aroma.
So lid's going back on. And now we're going to go for 30 seconds at speed 3. So that's beautiful and creamy now. Yep, absolutely lovely. So all I now need to do is to add in some plain flour. Don't forget the measurements are on my recipe card in the description underneath this video. And a little bit of baking powder. And then I just need to combine that into our cookie dough. And I'm going to bring up the kneading function of the Thermomix. So I'm just going to bring that up, and I want to knead it for about 20 seconds just to combine that beautifully. Alright, so the cookie dough looks amazing. So you can see that. All beautifully combined. 20 seconds to knead it, so it's not overly soft. Yep, you're loving the smell of that, Andrew?
Beautiful.
So what I'm now going to do is to scoop out little balls, and I love to use the little ice cream scoops that you find, and they come in all sizes. And what you want to do is just to give it a little bit of a dip in some flour, and that will stop it all really sticking to it. And I'm just going to scoop out a nice ball and then pop it down on my tray. So I will get quite a few of these cookies out from here. These are not big ones, but of course you can make bigger ones if you want to. So my little cookie balls are there. And then all I need to do is to grab a fork and to do that really traditional crisscross pattern on the top of these. So again, into a little bit of flour with the fork. And then you're just going to go one way, pick it up into the flour and go in the other direction. And I'm just going to repeat that one way, and in the other direction. So you do want to leave a little bit of space because they will spread, and the other direction. So just to show you what I've got there, can you see those all right? So 3 little cookies ready to be baked. So I'm going to continue with those, and then I'm going to put them into a preheated oven, which is at 180 degrees for about 10 minutes. And then they're going to come out, and you've got to be patient, Andrew.
Could you add chocolate chips into those?
Yes, of course you can. And I'm not going to do it today. Yeah, you can do all sorts of little add-ins and chocolate chips and peanuts.
M&M's.
Okay, look, you're getting carried away now. We're focusing on peanut butter cookies today. So 10 minutes later and about 10 minutes cooling down time, the peanut butter cookies are ready. So I have got 23 beautiful cookies. There's space here, Andrew. Have you eaten one already?
No.
When I wasn't looking, are you sure?
Yes.
So they smell lovely. I'm sure they're going to be absolutely delicious.
They are. Oh.
You did eat one. Oh yeah. These are great. I did sprinkle some raw sugar, just a little bit of raw sugar on top when they were still hot. So there you go, my peanut butter cookies, absolutely delicious. Please make them and give the family a treat. My name's Colette Matriga. I am a Thermomix consultant here in Australia, and I have customers all over Australia. If you'd like to find me on my other social media channels, please just click the link above. If you'd like to buy a Thermomix, please click the link above, and I would love to look after you on that forward journey. And please remember, if you want to keep seeing these videos, hit the subscribe button just down below. You will have my beautiful videos drop into your email, so you don't have to worry about missing any of them. Thanks for popping by today. See you next time.